ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ನ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to edit any video by using Windows 10 video editor. Windows 10 video editor is a built-in software. Those who are using Windows 10 on your PC or laptop, you can edit your video by using this built-in software. No need to install or no need to purchase any software for video editing purpose. So let's go with Windows 10, and you can edit your video and you can enhance the quality of your video with Windows 10 built-in software. So for that I'm going to show you the demonstration. So for that I'm going to type video editor on your search bar. So you will find this type of icon. Just click on video editor. So after you click on the video editor, it will take you to the new window. So this is the video editor software which is inbuilt with Windows 10. So these are my recent projects what I have created. To create a new project, so just click on the new project. So this is the area which you find once you open it. So just I am clicking on new video project. So once you click on new video project, it will take you to video editor. So here you can find 3 panels. So it will ask you to name your video. I am going to name this as a demo video. So after naming, so 3 panels will be activated. This is the media sequence viewer, and this is the timeline storyboard. You can find the editing storyboard. Here you can add your stories or videos or pictures here to edit, and you want to import the video into your project library. By default your project library is empty. You can add photos and video clips to get started. So here you want to add the photos or videos to editing purpose. So let's begin with this. After that all the features will be enabled. Once you added the videos or photos into your video editor, all the features will be activated. So for checking purpose I am going to add this one. So just install import your video. So once it is imported to project library, so you can select and you can drag into storyboard. So just drag into storyboard and place on the first panel. So here you can find different panels. Whenever you are adding more number of pictures and videos, all these panels will be activated. For that I am going to show you. I want to add one more picture. So this is the picture I want to add. So now I am going to drag this into a second one, and if you want you can add n number of photos and videos to library first, then you can add into storyboard. So this is the sequence viewer. Once you selected the sequence viewer, it is appearing, or preview will be available in this sequence viewer. So this is the 8-minute video. It's showing the time, and you can play by you pressing the play option. So this is the play option. So the preview will be available here. So this is already edited video. For demo purpose I am using this once again. So this is the features available. So you can add the title card. And we can trim the video by using this option, and you can split the video clip, and you can add the text on the video and photo, and you can add the motion, and you can add 3D effects, and you can select different themes also. You can and you can set the speed of the video. So if you want to increase the length of the video or speed of the video, you can use this. And some of the features available at the top of this video editor: you can add background music, you can add n number of background videos by selecting the default video audios. Here some of the default audios are available with this Windows 10 software. So these are the video audios available. You can choose and you can sync your video with the music. Automatically it will sync with your video. By once you press it is syncing with your video. So here, this is the background music, and you can custom audio. Otherwise you can add your own files, or you can add your recorded files or voice over audio files to this video by using add audio files record. Here you can add the audio files or drag music, narration and sound effects files here, or click to add the audio files. Once you click on audio files, it will ask you to select the audio files. You can select the audio files by using this option, or you can narrate it. So this is the custom audio, and here you will find finish audio. After the editing process is over, you can export this video into MP4 format. And here you can find some of the options. You can change the theme, and you can change the landscape and the size of this video editor, and you can back up the project, and you can duplicate the project. So these are some of the features available with this video editor. So I'll show one by one how to edit a video. So this is the selected video. When you selected the video, before that I'm going to add a title card. So just click on add title card. A empty background will be available, and the title is also available. So for this I am going to add a title. So for that I am going to click on text. So here by default it is it's like a title, so you can add your own text. So I am going to add our channel name, welcome to 2T. So here some of the fonts available, animated text style is available. You can change by using this one. So this is the preview available. So once you click on, the n number of different options are available on this text selection. So you can select the text. So these are the different text available on your video editor. So you can find this type of options. So cinematic, pixels, cartoon, impact, these are the different text styles available for all type of text adding cards. And you can find the layouts. You can choose any one of them. So if you selected the first one, the title will be appear on the center of this card, and the second one top of that, and the third one left side corner, left side, and this is the middle one, and this is the lower one, and this is the right one. So these are the features available to add the text. So look at that, very beautiful. You can add the date, and you can add your text with all beautiful effects. So this is the text I am going to add. So this is, I am pressing this is the title card which I have added, and you can increase this duration also. Actually this is almost 4 seconds. Here you can increase the duration. So 4 seconds I am going to set it for 7 seconds. So title card will be appear for 7 seconds. After that this video will be appeared. After that this one. So these are the features available to add the title card. So I have added title card, but now I am going to add the I am going to show the trimming options. So you can trim this video by using this option. So just click on trim. So this is the feature available. So this portion of the video I don't want to this portion of video. So for that I am going to drag it. So once you drag it, the before what you have said, this card is not appearing in your video. This is the trimming option, or you can trim like this. So you can trim like this. So this is the feature available. You can edit or trim your video by using this option. Then split option is there. So you can split into 2 halves. by using this option. So you can trim and split, and you can add the text also. You can add the text on this video also, as I have already shown you. So the same feature is available for adding the text also. And yes, and motion. So this is the motion. The zooming to left, none, zoom in center, zoom out center, zoom out right. These are the motions. So when you click on this, the video will be zooming out or zooming out left. This is zooming in right. This is zooming out right. So some of the features available, you can select among this. This is the motion. And 3D effects. So you can add the 3D effects also. So here you can find a live button, breaking news, and when I click on breaking news, it will be there on your video, and you can drag and you can increase the size. So here I'm going to press the done button. So once you done the button, when you click on done, look at the preview. So this is the 3D effects you can add by using this option, and n number of 3D buttons are available. So you can check with here. See, this is the effects available. Live option is there, breaking news, and some of the candle, comet rail, and confetti foundation. So this is the foundation available. So you can choose anyone. You can choose anyone and you can add it. So this is the 1 second. I'll show you. So this is the breaking. So these are the 3D effects. You can add the 3D effects by using this one. Can you find different effects and 3D libraries also there. You can search different effects by using these options. So this is another feature, and you can filter. You can change the filter of the video. You can be light it and classic, pearl, classic, original video, and adventurous and energetic. You can. This is the features or filters available to add into your video. And one more thing, speed. You can increase the speed also by 1x or fast, slow. You can reduce it by using this one. So this is the feature available, and I've already shown you. You can add the background, and you can add the background audio for it and sync your video with the music beat. So this is about video software by using this Windows 10. After that, once you editing process is completed, just I'm going to show you from beginning how it is appearing. So this is the edited video after the finishing of editing. So once you click on finish video, it will ask you to export. So once it is finished, you can check, you can export it, or you can if you want to change anything, you can option, you can choose more option. Otherwise you can press on export. Once you click on export, the video will be saved on desktop or anything, wherever you want to save, you can export it. This is the icon exporting. So this is the progress bar showing the exporting. So once it is finished, the ready video file will be available in desktop. So this is the video file there. So this is how about I am going to show, I plan to show this. So you can use your Windows 10 software in built-in software for editing purpose. No need to purchase or go with another open source software. You can use. So install Windows 10 and use it for video purpose. Keep watching and be with us. Thank you.